The most effective ways to find NFT projects early. Upcoming NFT projects. In the last few years, the world of investments and cryptocurrencies has seen a major rise in NFTs and their investments. With more and more investors gaining interest over NFTs and digital collaterals, it also creates a better platform for the NFT sector to receive a better adoption since it was released in the market. Not just that, but after Metaverse and a few other virtual items started being released in the platform, NFTs receive better results and higher market capitalization. So then the question arises, if NFTs are so good, then how can customers buy them before anyone else? And since there are a lot of projects on the platforms these days, how can investors find and buy the best ones out of the lot? Today's video will discuss the most effective ways to find NFT projects early and before anyone else. But before we begin, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. You all might have some basic idea of NFTs and how that market works when NFTs are considered. Many popular NFTs like BAYC and Cool Cats have a higher value than the rest and are almost similar to physical collectibles and art. Thus, many investors try to get their hands on it for a better investment. But there are a few more amazing NFTs that are available on different platforms and are still bought and invested in by many investors. Like Invisible Friends, which has more than 5,000 unique animated NFTs created by Marcus Madison. It is one of the upcoming NFTs and will hold a very high value, and you should be ready to get it as soon as possible. We also have Illuvium, a fantasy role-playing game that is an upcoming NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. Players need to capture, upgrade, and store their Illuvial to level up and help themselves to survive in the game. These creatures can also be traded in the game. Then we also have Degenerative Ape Academy, or DATE, which is considered one of the best Solana NFT projects, containing more than 10,000 unique monkeys traded and used as assets. These monkeys can be customized as well by adding and personalizing clothing, fur, glasses, and adding other tools. This is an upcoming NFT project and you should try it out. Then we have Star Atlas, an upcoming NFT project based on a futuristic game with very high quality content. So if you want to invest in some good NFT projects that have higher chances of a fruitful result, you absolutely cannot miss out on Star Atlas. It is around 50,000 TPS and very low transaction fees. Not only that, but this game NFT also provides high and free rewards to the investor and gamers who play with the highest difficulty and join risky missions. So that was just a few of many such possible upcoming NFTs that you can invest in when you want to. But how are you going to find them? How are you going to get updated on the latest NFT projects at the correct time so that you can invest in them? Well, allow me to explain it to you in detail. Rarity tools. The first thing you need to know is about a few specific tools often used to find some good and upcoming NFT projects. These are particular websites like Rarity Tools that provide you with a full list of upcoming NFTs and other rare items. They can even see who is branching from the mentioned projects and then decide if they want to continue investing in it. Thanks to Rarity Tools, you can even select items for your desired price list by using their filter option and setting the price range. It's also a free tool, so there is still a lot of stuff that needs to be done manually. But you get notifications about any updates or projects which help you stay updated with the NFTs. Twitter. It's not a surprise for any of you, but you all know about the power of social media. Twitter is one of the most popular platforms and ways to detect and search for a profitable and good NFT. The whole community of NFTs started growing from this particular platform, and thus you will get the best deals here. In addition, you will get to learn more about digital assets from it, and you can also check out your favorite influencers and what they prefer or which NFT they are buying or selling. On Twitter, users can even check who is engaging with their posts and plan out future strategies based on that. There is another amazing factor associated with it. On Twitter, all updates and news regarding NFTs are released, so you can also stay updated with it. Just like how a few days back, the profile picture update, which changed simple circular framed pictures to hexagonal ones, has been released and updated on Twitter. Rise NFT. As we talked about tools used to find undervalued NFTs, Rise NFT is a similar tool used in this field. Still, it was Rise Solutions, a tool to find other rare items, but later got involved with NFTs. It is solely used to find all those new and upcoming NFTs that they have a better market value and market capitalization. It's one of the best and most powerful ones in the market, which might be a bit expensive, but can allow users to access mint snipping tools and allow you to skip over any gas wars that may arise once you mint from a contract. The Rise NFT also allows you to access the OpenSea Sniper, which allows you to sell your underpriced NFTs for a maximum price. And the Rarity Sniffer helps you find the rare NFTs on the platform based on rankings. This particular tool also updates you with the latest news notifications. Discord. This particular social media platform is an amazing tool for you to find upcoming NFTs because of its availability. Discord is a server currently available in almost all regions and has a huge population of communities and influencers who use and want to keep using NFTs for their investments. Just like how Twitter works by letting you all know about NFTs with the help of influencers, Discord is similar to it. But yes, this platform can be quite noisy if you do not filter out what you want to research upon. And if you can find communities or influencers sharing the desired NFT content that you want, you will be able to know about a lot of updates and news. There are servers like the BAYC where you can talk to the BAYC mentors, the Cool Cat server where you can talk to the developers, and many other communities and developers with whom you can interact and keep updating yourself. The roadmap. It is a form of document which bears the list of all upcoming events, drops, and projects related to NFTs and is supplied to the public. Whenever you invest in an NFT, a roadmap will be provided to you. So if you are planning to invest in some projects for the long term, then the roadmap you will be getting will be for the long term. But you should be careful while expecting roadmaps, as there are sometimes short-term agreements like free tokens, benefits, or some other kind of gifts that you may get while investing. Such roadmaps have higher chances of being frauds and will suck you out if you are not careful enough. Don't consider the roadmap as only a list of NFTs, but it is a guide that you can use for your future investments, as it will help you discover some of the most profitable NFT projects. You can find these on social media platforms like Discord, Twitter, and many other websites. NFT Calendar. Just as it is named, the NFT calendar is a tool that organizes and updates the customers and investors about all the upcoming NFT events, drops, and projects. So if anyone is interested in letting the world know about the NFTs they want to release on the platform, they have to submit the projects to the NFT calendar. After submitting to be featured on the calendar site, a list is published, which is extremely saturated, and anybody can submit their projects and events on it. You can use it to know about all the upcoming events and drops that the industry may face, and since it is free and constantly updating, you will not have to worry about falling behind schedules as well and research properly. There's also a feature used up in this particular tool, and that is that links are attached along with a list of events that allows you to research productivity. So that while you get to know about some particular event or project, you can side by side research about it on Twitter or Discord and get to know about their involvement and engagement in the community. If you can finally find the perfect project for you, do not waste any more time and grab it. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed our video. Do not forget to comment down your views and let us know about a few more effective ways to find upcoming NFT projects. And we will see you in the next one.